My name is Luis De Leon. I'm a computer programmer and I also work with networks. I'm teaching the Python Bootcamp, which is an introduction to Python. Right now, Python is being used for almost anything, especially data analysis and IoT devices. So you can use it to do any kind of programming. You can use it to write desktop applications. It's a high-level programming language. If you come from a different programming language, it will be easier for you. If you never programmed before, it will be a little difficult at the beginning because you need to learn the syntax of it. But once you learn it, and once you see the possibilities, you're going to love it because right now, Python is the most used language programming in the industry. We did some testing with a Raspberry Pi, object orientation, functions, basically introduction to SQL using Python and SQLite. They were able to use the SenseHat, which is the SenseHat being used on the space station right now. And they were able to see how it really works. Because the same SenseHat that they have at the space station is the same device that we have here for testing. So they were able to to display messages on the screen, and that was very fun for them. We're going to be playing with a drone, which we're going to program with Python, and that's going to give us a different perspective of what the options are for using Python in IoT devices.
These last couple of days, you had a chance to be with one of our professors, one of our own, to what you needed to know when it came to Python. So right now, what we want to do, we want to celebrate those efforts of you practicing and you earning the certification with us in the areas of Python.
I'm very happy that Atlantis University had this great Python bootcamp for us. It gave us a lot of hands-on experience while having a very small class so we can answer a lot of questions and had the one-to-one. I think it's very good, especially with everything being coding and programming nowadays. I think it's great that they offer this as a free program for us to use.
The way they organized it was very exciting. The professor who taught it was very passionate about it, and I really enjoyed it.
I'm actually having a job interview on Wednesday, and it's a technical interview where mostly it's going to be all Python scripting. So this is a great way for me to get my foot in the door now that I'm going to graduate with my master's.
I want to thank the organization, the university, for providing opportunities like this, because sometimes what these opportunities do is they help people decide what it is they want to do, and I'm excited. I think this is for me. Thank you.